DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making glow-in-the-dark pumpkins using Decoart's blacklight neon paints. These paints are so cool, they actually glow in the dark when you use them with a blacklight. Now, if you don't have a blacklight, that's fine because the neon colors are pretty awesome just by themselves. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's paint pumpkins. Don't worry if your stripes aren't perfect. I promise they'll look amazing once they're done. Real pumpkins might be too heavy to paint on a record player, so you can use a Lazy Susan. I picked up this one at a thrift store for a few bucks, and it comes in really handy for a project like this. Blacklight fluorescent paint is a luminous paint that glows under a blacklight. It's based on pigments that respond to light in the ultraviolet segment of the electromagnetic spectrum. Wow, that makes me sound smart. Johann Ritter is best known for his discovery of ultraviolet light in 1801. After hearing about the discovery of an invisible form of light beyond the red portion of the spectrum, Ritter decided to conduct experiments to determine if invisible light existed. I would love it if you would take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hello or tell me about your favorite Halloween candy. I had a little happy accident with the black paint when it decided to drip down the side of the pumpkin, so I just went with it. If you're using plastic pumpkins, it's great to use a turntable, but heavier pumpkins, you should definitely use a Lazy Susan. I'm going to leave a link to Decoart and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you next week. Happy Halloween.